Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, how you doing? How is everything? I hope everything is fine with you all. Me, I'm okay. I'm perfectly fine. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the way I normally colored my hair, Since I don't do my hair, so I normally put my colored. I normally colored it before I go to, put it in order before I go to the barber salon. Before I put it in order, like cut it. That is what I normally do with my hair. Before, I do plait my hair. I do make my hair. So one day I was so fed up. I feel like, okay, let me give it a try. Give a try to cut it out, okay? To make it another style, another look. So that's how I cut off it. So I decided to put colored. This is the color that I'll be using. This is the colored. I bought it in DM. Here in supermarket DM in Germany. I don't know about other places, but I got mine from DM. You can also buy it from other supermarket, but me, I got this particular one in DM. I'm also going to share with you people with another color, the way you can change your color. Let's say you have gold on your hair and you want to put one color or any other color, the way you can change it. I will be making that video, but not yet, okay? I'm just going to put gold now, okay? I like gold, not that kind gold too sharp. No, I normally buy this color. I don't know if you can see it. Not too sharp, okay? After I use this, I'm also going to put wine color, okay? I'm going to put wine color. I'm going to see how it looks like, okay? I've not used wine color before, but I will try it. I will give it a try, okay? So let's start with it. Let me start putting the colored, and let's see how it looks like, okay? Guys, if you are just seeing my video for the first time or you are just passing by, okay, please do subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified, okay? Like and share. It's very important. Subscription is free. It's free, okay? So guys, let's start with the mixture. I like this one because it's 3. It's 3. It comes in 3. You can see the first one. I mean, this is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. This is it. What you need to do, just open this one. You pour this inside, then you shake. Make sure you shake it properly. You shake, and then this is the condition. This is the condition of it. So that's what we are going to be doing. So let me pour it inside. Just a moment. I'm just going to pour it inside. Okay. This is it. I just opened. I'm going to pour it inside. Oh my gosh. I have to be careful. Okay. I think it's enough. Oh my God. I do this at home. Some people go to the salon to do it, okay? Some people go to salon, but me, I do mine at home. You can also do it at home, guys. Just try it at home. It will be good. Just try it at home. Okay, I've poured it inside already. I've closed. Then I have to shake. I shake, shake, shake. Okay. You can see. You can see it. I've already poured it inside. Just shake it very well, properly, so that it will mix very well. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Then what I will do, I just put my hand glove. I'm sorry guys, it fell down. It fell down, oh my gosh. Okay, this is my hand glove. Ta-da, this is my hand glove. It comes with it too. So just put it on. Just put it on. This is it. So I'm just going to open. Okay. So I'm just going to do this upside. I'm not going to put here because here I'm going to go to salon for them to give it a shape, for them to maintain it. So I'm just going to put here. I have to be careful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh. Yeah. Very easy, guys. This is very, very easy to do. You don't need to spend your money to color your hair. Nine. You have to like buy it. It's cheap. I got this. It's not up to €5. It's not up to €5. I bought it. Yeah. It's not up to. Can get yours in the supermarket and do it yourself. I'm just trying to massage it so that it will like bring the color very well. I just put it. Anyway, this is the second time I'm doing it. Okay. Just pray it gives me the color that I want. So guys, I've mixed it already. I've already like put the color already. I'm just going to wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm just going to wait and I come back to show you guys the way it's the colored, the outcome. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys the outcome of it. So guys, stay tuned. See you in jiffy. I'm just going to wait for like 5 minutes. Then I washed it off and I come back to show you guys the outcome. Stay cool, relax, and watch the video to the ending. Okay guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Oh my god, this is how it looks like. You can see the color not too sharp and just moderate, not too, it's not bad. I like the color because it's not sharp. Okay, so with this I can also change the color if I wish, but I'm going to change the color very soon, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the way I'm also going to change the color. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rub my hair cream, Vaseline, just going to rub it. Okay, this is what I do. Yeah. So what I do next, I order this from AliExpress. So I normally use it to dread it because I like it. Okay, I'm just going to do it a little, not much. Okay, lovely people, I am done. You can see it, the way it looks like. Guys, please comment down below my video. Tell me how you see my hairstyle, the way I colored my hair, the way I put new colored on my hair. Just write down below how you see my hairstyle. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your subscribing. All my returnees, thank you all. I really appreciate you all. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.